Hey, new part day. So I posted a picture to Instagram recently and Carbonex gave it a like. Thank you very much. Went to go check out their website and their paint match hood latch caught my eye. Now ordinarily I'm not really into paint matched anything on the interior because I quite like the black and carbon fiber bits, but this actually looked kind of cool and I think it might work out well for like right when you open the door and you can see the edge of the frame. Then you have the paint matched hood latch right there in the corner. I recently did the stainless steel M Performance pedals and I think this would actually complete the look a little bit more down there. So installation for this should be really easy. You just reuse the same Phillips head screw that the existing one uses. So let's go see what it looks like. All right, so here's the part. Feels very well crafted. Got the company name right here. Got the 2X spool here, and yeah, looks like a good match. So let's get it installed. All right, all installed. See how it works. Flawless. Okay, so this might be the easiest modification you could possibly do to your F80. And you know what? It looks awesome. Right when you open the door, having that little splash of color there, I think it looks really good. And I also think it looks great with the M Performance pedals that I just did. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description below in case you wanna pick one up. And thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. I posted this picture to Instagram recently and Carbonex gave it a like. Thank you very much. And, yeah.
You're still making it too dramatic.
Well, then you say it.
So I posted a picture to Instagram recently, and well, without the all right. Here, let me start from the beginning. So there's no.
All right, this take, don't give a.